Good day to you, my dear friends. Well, it's time to solve some LeetCode problems. Today I increased the quality a little. Let's see how it will go. Oof. I'm a little bit tired because I participated in the LeetCode contest yesterday, and then I participated in the LeetCode contest today. So, oof, I'm tired. Also, I have new neighbors and they are loud. They get drunk and they scream at each other. Well, not constantly, but from time to time. Oof. And it's a rare thing, in Asian country. And the funniest thing, there is a very loud woman there. And once she came to me, it was like the first or the second day of they living here. And she said to me, I hear a woman screaming from time to time. Do you know what's it all about? And I answered, no, I do not know. And then she said, okay, and then I'll go ask some other neighbors. And she disappeared. And after that, I understood that the woman that always screams is that woman. She asked about herself. I don't know what was that about. It's like she created a small diversion because she raised this issue first, so no one would suspect her. Ah, what a plan. Now, let's go back to more mundane things like LeetCode problems. Yesterday, I encountered terrible problem. Well, it wasn't that hard, but oof, it was hard for me. It was MySQL. Let's see. Well, this was my first submission. This is a nice version. I mean, it's the same, it's just like, structured better, more readable. So what was the problem? We got a table, employee ID, department ID, primary flag, and some employees, they are presented one time in a table, and some employees presented more than one time. And for those, there are different primary flags. For unique employees, there is only one option for primary flag, it's N letter. But if they have many different departments, one of them should have a Y primary flag. And our goal is to list all employees and their departments. Oof, and there was so many attempts by me and even some suggestions in the chat from No Condom Chris. But in the end I arrived to this solution with inner join. So we select max value max primary flag, for each employee. And then we connect this thing to our original table, no, not original, to our table with employee and department. And now each employee is going to have only his maximum primary flag. This is a solution with inner join, but solution from no condom crease is also good to use union. Let's try to do this. Select. Well, for Y flags, for yes flags, it's kinda easy. Let's check. We are going to have employee 2 and employee 4, and I have a runtime error. Department, please. I'm a titanium. Okay, 2 and 4, and the departments are 1 and 3. Great. And we are going to union this to another query. Okay, union. And let's for now comment it out. And let's write a second query. And it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Okay, of course, employee ID and department ID. Of course, from employee. Now let's group by employee ID having let's count. What do you want to count, by the way? Maybe like this. Let's check this out. It's 1 1. It's 3 3. Good. And yesterday I had this idea, that I somehow must count employee IDs, but I forgot about this having keyword, and I wasn't able to Google it or something. Now let's combine everything. And go. Okay. Houston, we have a problem. What is it? You have an error. What? It looks alright to me. should we add something else? Let's see. So, having count department ID. What's the difference? Is there a difference? Let's try this. Oh, do you hear these neighbors? No, of course it doesn't matter. Where is the error? Union. Select everything. Seems nice. Having count department ID. It's fun. I can't see any differences. Union, select, employee ID. But it's exactly the same. Come on. Let's lose the brackets and see what will happen. Because we actually do not need them. No. We have a problem. Oh, of course. I'm a bloody moron. Because it should be a comment. Yeah. Let's forget about this incident. And of course there is another way. There is always another way. And this will be to use a more elaborate where. So we are going to have where with select, another select, and I also tried this approach and also failed. Let's call it I don't think it's even matters what we select here. Well, it's our favorite one where primary key probably like this. Is it working? Subquery returns more than one row. You see, it's a very important thing to come back to solve the issues and resolve them again. It's even more important than solving an issue in the first place, where okay, let's do end. Oh no, it's not like this. Okay. Okay, it's something. It's the strangest output in the world. It's not like this. Wait. It should be where? Nope. Let's group by. Let's group by employee ID. And again, we are going to use our new favorite, having count. We can do this equals 1. This way we got all unique employees. Right. Now let's do end. And primary flag, not end, probably or primary flag equals y. Please work. Great. So this is another solution without joins, without unions. And I'm quite happy that I was able to reproduce it. Now let's go to a solutions section. Let's see what we have here. Well, I already told you what we have here, but this is the most one of the most upvoted. It's the version of this solution. And the strange thing is that it's very upvoted and there are no comments, but actually you do not need distinct here. and you do not need order by here. Maybe I should leave a comment, or maybe that's a no. Bad manners, I don't know. So this was an issue number 1789, primary department for each employee. Now for something completely different. Let's take some issue that I solved, some problem that I solved previously before I started streaming, and let's investigate it in depth. As always, easy difficulty for now. We already covered these two and concatenation and build array, allow one function call, and our next victim is this one, 1108, defending an IP address. So we have an IP address in this form, and we want to replace all dots with dots in square brackets, and in Ruby it's very easy with the G sub, and in most languages it's done in the same manner. My original solution was like this. Now I decided to add a bang, so that we do not return a new string but modify our original string and return this modified original string. Maybe it's better in terms of space. Well, because you see, when we do it like this, let's check our address. And our address still has all the dots, but if we do this with the bang, that's different story. Address string is also modified, not also, it is modified. So maybe it is better, maybe there's no difference at all, I'm not sure. I'd love to see some comments on that, but until that day, until these comments, I will proceed with adding bang to everything. Well, where it makes sense, of course. So yeah, it's a small problem, and most solutions are exactly like this. There is a variant to go through every symbol in address, and if it's not a dot, we just add this character to a string. If it's a dot, well, we add not dot but dot in brackets to a string. But it's not very effective because we go through every character. Another approach is to split address, split by the dot, like let's do this by the way, just to have an exercise. Split by dot. Let's see what we get. Yes, and after that join it back together with dot and brackets. Great. As always, it would be interesting to see what address looks like in this situation. Address doesn't change, so should we use a lot of bands? Oh my god, scared the shit out of me. What just happened there? Method 91. So I've seen that you tried some kind of a marathon today, looks like you abandoned that idea. Oof. For me it's hard to stream even for an hour. So I do not know how you do this. Let's go back to this problem. I added bangs everywhere. It's like this song from Kill Bill. Like bang bang, you shoot me down, bang bang, I hit the ground. Oh, you can't do that. Bang bang. Yes, you can't do that. So our G sub variant is the best, but under the hood it probably does the same thing. So do not let its shortness, confuse you and make you think that you are some kind of a genius. And now let's solve some new problem. By the way, let's check this out. Let's check my rank. Nah, it still holds at this barrier. Maybe just one more problem. Relax, take it easy. Do you remember this song? Gameplay analysis 1. Oh my god, it's an SQL problem. Well, come back in an hour and I will still be sitting here trying to solve this problem. So we have a table activity. Player ID integer, device ID integer, event date. Date in games played integer. Here is it. Find the first login date for each player. Aha. Return the result table in any order. By the way, in the previous problem, there was also this line that we can return results in any order, but if it wasn't the case, our union solution probably wouldn't work. We would just add order by and everything will be good. So we have this activity table output like this. Why do we need games played? Just a distraction, huh? Device ID doesn't matter, you just need event date. Need like the earliest. Oh, there is a trap somewhere. Let's see an example, like player ID 1, device ID 2 and 2, and the earliest date is this one. Yes, the second man, well, this one, and third, this one. Well, yeah. Okay, let's try. Select player ID and min event date. Of course, it's not gonna work from the get-go, but we'll get it there as first login. Login from what was it? Activity, and we need to group by, I guess. Group by player ID . Let's see. Let's see. Gameplay analysis 1. So long. It's green. Please accept. First try, motherfuckers. Have you seen that? It was beautiful. It was marvelous. Like I cracked that nut. Well, of course it was easy. Oof. But still, as I always say, it's such a nice feeling. But that's it for today. Miraculously. Yay, I'm so happy because I'm so tired after all these contests, and at each of these contests I was only able to solve the easiest problem, but still it was fun. Oof. I have this feeling that I wanted to say something, but I don't remember. Like at all. So I'll see you tomorrow, good people of, I don't know, LeetCode solving community. By the way, probably I am the only person who actually add smart coder tag to my tags. Yeah, so I read a file with instructions. But that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Be cool. Where is this button? Bye bye.